2025 marks the beginning of a new era in travel luxury, and the futuristic motorhome now unveiled is nothing short of a revolution on wheels. At first glance, it's a spectacle, massive, aerodynamic, and unapologetically bold. The bodywork is sculpted like a spaceship, with sweeping LED light strips that run fluidly across its contours, glowing in soft pulses as if the vehicle itself is alive. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a self-contained, luxury suite built for the future, ready to dominate highways and hearts alike. As you approach, the sheer scale of the vehicle becomes more apparent. The entrance is sensor-based, no door handle, no buttons, just a seamless biometric recognition system that welcomes you in like a private jet. Step inside, and you're greeted with interior lighting that adapts to your mood. The floor is polished composite that mimics natural marble, while the ceiling above softly glows in ambient light patterns that simulate sunrise or a starlit sky. Every corner is flush with elegance, curved glass walls, holographic control panels, and ultra-soft furniture that adjusts automatically to your posture. In terms of technology, this motorhome is decades ahead of its time. The dashboard doesn't just display speed or fuel, it analyzes terrain, adjusts suspension in real time, syncs with satellites for weather updates, and even projects 3D maps into the windshield using augmented reality. Voice commands control everything, from cabin temperature to retractable solar panels that line the roof. And yes, it's fully electric, powered by a dual battery hydrogen hybrid system that offers over 200 miles of range on a single cycle. Living space inside has been reimagined. There's a panoramic lounge at the rear with a wraparound sofa that turns into a bed with one tap. The kitchen, fully automated, complete with robotic arms that can prep meals, a smart fridge that orders groceries, and a dining table that rises from the floor when needed. The restroom isn't a compromise either. It features a rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and a mirror that doubles as a health diagnostic display. But what really sets this masterpiece apart is its ability to adapt. The entire side panel can extend outward when parked, nearly doubling the interior space. An integrated drone bay allows for aerial exploration, and the rear deck folds out into a private lounge area with heated floors and a retractable awning. Every detail screams innovation, from the climate-controlled storage units to the noise-canceling walls that create a cocoon of calm. No matter where you park, on the road, it rides like a dream,